Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can enable always play on feeds on your YouTube. When you just see when you just click on YouTube like this, and you can see home. When you just swipe up, and here it is, video is always starting. How you can enable this in your Poco smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First open YouTube, click on View button, and here it the settings. Click on settings, and here it is general settings. Click on playbacks in feed. If you have off this, then you have to turn on by clicking on always on. You can see this, always on. And here you can just simply when you are swiping your feeds, you can also see this in your, you can see, you can also play sound by clicking on the speaker button. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching.